Good morning from Trot HQ. First one of the day, new client with his recently acquired ZZR1400. This is in for one of our full works packages. This is going to get everything thrown at it. Two-stage machine polish on all the body work and a signature 4K ceramic. So every nook and cranny of this bike is going to get cleaned, serviced. We're going to sort all that chain out, polish these wheels up, polish all this exhaust, put some paint on the center stand, and then we're going to airbrush the signature 4K signature pro ceramic. That is a 5-year ceramic. Every nook and cranny of this bike is going to get airbrushed with the ceramic. We'll apply it by hand on all the body work, making sure to keep this bike properly protected for the years ahead. It's gorgeous paintwork. Need to keep it looking that way. So yeah, let's get it washed, get a bit of snow foam on it, then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some proper detailing. Watch this space. Okay, got this ZZR1400 thoroughly washed and decontaminated. Just doing a bit of a paint inspection. Got quite a few spider webs on it. So like I said, we're going to do a two-stage machine polish on all this body work. Got a few little marks on it. We're going to polish up that exhaust. Get all that looking nice. I've got to service this chain. We got to paint the center stand. Center stand's a bit rusty, so just going to lightly sand that, put a bit of gloss on it before we apply any ceramic. So yeah, we got lots of polishing to do. I was just looking at this rear wheel as well, looking a little sad for itself. So I'm going to polish that up. Let's get cracking. Okay, two-stage machine polish is now complete. I've polished these wheels. Now time to lay down the special sauce. We're going to airbrush the signature 4K signature pro ceramic on every nook and cranny of this lower half, and then we'll apply it by hand up to the top half. Looking much better already. Managed to remove quite a few of those imperfections. Nice bit of gloss to it already. Once we get that ceramic on, it will really hit that gloss on point. Okay, the lower half has now been complete. I've airbrushed the Signature 4K Signature Pro ceramic on all the lower half. Now time to apply it by hand to the top. So we've prep all the panels. Now time to lay down the special sauce. A little bit of this. Do some nice even layers. Let that cure for a minute. And then we'll buff that off. Okay, this Kawasaki ZZR has now been fully trotted. Look at the freaking gloss on that. This had one of our full works packages, 2-stage machine polish. All the wheels have been polished. All the exhaust down there has been polished up. Airbrushed the ceramic. We use the Signature 4K Signature Pro ceramic. That is a 5-year protection. This gloss is absolutely on point. I said we airbrushed all the lower half wheels. Look at the gloss on those wheels. Chains all been serviced. Exhausts have all been polished. All looking top notch. Gentlemen took advantage of our £50 off offer. Get yours booked in now. 07966 249 963.